please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on.
Mr. Porter, me always listen to your program. Not care what me say. Me always listen, but me not subscribe to nothing. But me always listen. Right? Mr. Porter, good evening. I listen to that lady, you're talking to that lady, the man named Willis' wife. I'm going to love kill people. That's what me are going to accuse you of now.
Yeah, so this is part 6, yeah man, of this of the series. So if you have listened to it, then you know that's one of our haters. Yeah, and look here, and let me say this loud and clear. If everyone likes you, that does mean you are doing something wrong. Let me repeat myself. I may say it now next year. If everyone likes you, that doesn't mean you are doing something right. If everyone likes you, that doesn't mean you are doing something right. That means say you do a whole heap around, you have to compromise and you have to do things and for all kind of people like you. As me know that. I am not into the popularity contest thing. And look here, I one time I go dead, one time he dead, me no say no man I judge me a God. Me no care about no guy I'm not keep, you understand what I'm saying. As I said before, I say again, anybody who know me, I have no problem for send criminals to the departure. If I kill people, I just saw it go. Yeah, preemptive strike, save lives. I just saw it go. That is what we need. You see, hey, look, you saw when what we are fighting in Jamaica is a war. You know? We are fighting this war for decades, and we can't. Sometimes the battlefield rules have to change. And in this where we're at right now in this jungle, we have to change the battlefield rules. And I just saw it go. So if everyone like you, remember, it means you have compromised your soul to please the crowd. It means you are playing the game to be liked, not to stand for truth. That's why enough people don't like me. And guess what? You take me here now. And let me assure you, over here, we don't operate like that. I don't operate like that. I don't seek applause. I speak facts. And I stand for principle. Even it offends the liars, the frauds, and the hypocrites. Only for them out there, they don't like me. But who cares? Now, you have heard this man spew his opinion. It's crystal clear. He's not a fan of this channel, or yours truly. And that's fine. He doesn't have to be. But what's laughable and downright insulting is that this man, this uninformed loudmouth, believe he has the credential to lecture a trained detective about how to conduct himself, as if this is a coffee shop discussion instead of a battlefield of facts, deception, and criminality. What this dummy, yeah, and I'll call him that. What this, yes, I am calling him. What this dummy fails to understand, and yes, dummy, because that's exactly what you are. Is that investigations, interview with victims and witness, and criminal questioning are governed by structured methods, protocols, and years of training. It's about psychology, patience, timing, and sometimes silence. That's policing. But on a YouTube channel dedicated to truth and justice, that's a different battlefield altogether, dummy. This is not a calm interrogation room with a one-way mirror. This is public square where liars show up dealing with boldness, arrogance, and scripted narratives designed to mislead, confuse, and manipulate the masses. So when someone comes on this platform and start lying blatantly and proudly, I am not going to sit back and stroke my chin like a passive observer. No, I will not. I will stop them dead in their tracks, because this isn't a place of propaganda. It's a place of clarity. So if you feel offended by that, hey, too bad. You don't subscribe to the channel, so that even I don't care. Let me put it simple for those who missed the memo. We are not here to cuddle liars. I want to say we matter all of us, supporter of the Jamaica Young Police channel, viewers, subscribers, Patreon member. We are here to confront them. We are not here to pamper egos. We are here to dismantle false narratives with facts. So, if that offends you, or your misguided friend who think he can tell a detective how to operate, I've got news for you. You're on the wrong channel. This isn't entertainment. This is enlightenment. And as long as the liars keep talking, I'll keep interrupting with facts, with receipts, and fearlessness. I can't tell you that. I am not afraid of anyone. Period. So when I talk about when I was a detective and you talk things about the Willis, apparently it seemed like you know Willis and in days when he used to have motorized patrol and 1 and 2 little things, and his wife, she used to work at bank and all of these things. I don't know him and I don't care to know him. I just always speak truth and speak truth to power. I am not here to make friends. I've made hey look, from when I was police I made so many enemies. Police and criminals. I don't know so it go. You understand? As you heard, even people, police here, even people come on the channel and say, boy, we know so them they want to kill you. Because I was a no nonsense man, I speak up. You can't lock up no man for murder. I have warrant I station fee man, then the man come through one door and go through the next door because you collect money. You know, I expect me, I go shut my mouth. So you don't tell me what to do. If you want to do, you want to start your own channel. And you know, I don't force you to listen. Although you don't like me, but you still listen every day. Why? Because there must be something what I am saying why it's intrigue you. So, moving on. So the millionaire mystery, barefoot lies and breadfruit fairy tales. We have now arrived at part 6 of this eye-opening series. And if you have been following the truth closely, then you know the pattern by now. Lies dressed in civility, deceit cloaked in smiles, and a couple trying to rewrite their story in real time, hoping you'll forget what they said yesterday. Let's start with the obvious. What you just heard in that audio, a man consumed by hatred for me on this channel, ranting, rambling, and frothing at the mouth. But here's the twist. He still listens every single day. He doesn't subscribe, of course, because doing so would be admitting he can't resist the truth. And it is warped. In his warped little mind, listening without subscribing, somehow give him the moral immunity. It's laughable. Now, let's address the couple of the hour, Mr. and Mrs. Trevor and Christine Willis, the Portland Power frauds. Christine, as we all heard, has graduated from loyal wife to full-blown mouthpiece, constantly running interference for her husband as they keep flip-flopping on the gun range story. One day it's this, the next day it's that. They have told so many versions of the truth, even they don't know what lie they're on anymore. But here's the burning question that no one wants to ask, but I will. How did Trevor Willis become a millionaire in America? That's all me ask. If you want to say my bad mind long time, yeah. He claims it proudly. He flaunts it subtly. He walks with the self-importance of a man who supposedly made it. But how did you make your millions? You say in a real estate. We know some, when I go speculate. How did a barefoot Jamaican policeman, by his own story, go from a patrol cop at motorized patrol to a millionaire in the United States of America? In coming in at 75. Them time the racism high. Racism did rampant. How he make it? How he become a millionaire? Now, before the liars start screaming, bad mind, let me stop you right there. This is not envy. This is about transparency, something Trevor claims to value. After all, he's so clean, so proud, so above board. Then why not share the blueprint? Yes, Trevor and Christine Willis, share the blueprint. Why not empower other Jamaicans and Caribbean immigrants with his millionaire formula? Why hide the playbook if you are as legitimate as you claim? As one of our brilliant subscribers said, how did a barefoot police officer go to America in the 1970s and suddenly become a millionaire? What's the formula? Because it sure L wasn't breadfruit. The truth is, Mr. Willis' rise to wealth is riddled with unanswered questions, bizarre claims, and flat-out lies, like pretending he was the first black man to own a hotel in North Miami Beach, a title that belonged to a billionaire or Donahue Peebles. If he can lie about that with a straight face and his boarded wife, what else has he fabricated to appear more important than he really is? That's the question we ask. So let me put this to Mr. Trevor Willis directly. If you are such a paragon of success, then teach us. Show the receipts. Come on the Jamaica Young Police channel again. Call us and tell the story. How did you make your millions? Not just for the sake of curiosity, but for the sake of those you claim to inspire. Because if it's legitimate, it should be celebrated. If it's fraudulent, then the truth will burn right through it. So we don't say if you claim to be a millionaire and it's legitimate and it can stand the test of time, Uncle Sam, the feds, and all of these people, because in America, it's numbers. Everything is all about numbers. And then you have to put up this and put up that, and it corresponds and say, yes. If you are all about that, you can prove all of these places that you have in America, you gain it legitimately. No drugs dealing, nothing nefarious. You get loans and you buy place, sell place, all of this. You buy house, flip it, then buy more and all this. Show it. Come teach me. Come teach all of us at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And Christine, since you like to speak on this behalf, maybe you can answer that question too. This isn't just storytelling anymore. This is cross-examination. So this is part 6 of the 7-part series. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 6 in its entirety. Period. If there, look here, if Mrs. Willis, if Mrs. Willis, how is this? Well, look here. Mr. Willis. I am talking. Mrs. Willis. Mrs. Willis.
Why don't you retract it like this? Let me tell you what to say.
Oh yes.
If any statement that the police officer said,
yes,
was offensive or incorrect, not factual, whatever, note that I am retracting whatever wasn't right. Find a way to put it.
No, look here. Listen what I'm saying now. And let me tell you this. You said that you're upset. I know what feel when people lie on you, you know. You said that you're upset and you feel that your husband's character and credibility and integrity has been smeared. And I can say this to you. If there's any statement that the policeman has says that's derogatory or anything like that, and it's as we said before, and it's not factual, in which the policeman did not say that your husband is a convicted criminal or anything like that. He just made a general statement about the people them that hang around all of these people.
Have the policeman come back on your program and say, I did not mean Mr. Willis. Done.
Well, look here. All right. To satisfy you, to make you feel much better, I will look through the entire thing for you to make you feel much better as a Jamaican. You said that this man, that the person that rented, that you leased the range, your husband has nothing to do with it. The only thing that the policeman associate Mr. Willis with is the place, that Mr. Willis owned the place. And he says that all the people them that were operating there, including this ex-policeman, they are all criminals, they are scammers, drug dealers, killers. That's what he says. No. How is he implicating your husband? Alright, look here.
His name shouldn't even be mentioned.
But look here, the policeman don't know. The policeman is talking, he's speaking truth. Who owned the property? It's who owned the property. He did not say that Mr. Willis. He did not say Mr. Willis was involved in criminality. He says that Mr. Willis owned the place and all of criminals. No. But look here. Is you want to put yourself in it? Say that you're a criminal. No, he did.
So many people read it and have the same understanding like me. And then call me and say, what kind of business is that?
Well, look here. All right. Let me say this to you then. The part that you're saying that the policeman is and I'm telling you this now. The part that you're saying that the policeman is saying that your husband, record that part and send it to me, and I'll go live.
When you put it up, you go read it.
What?
No. It's on your post.
No.
You posted it. Had the conversation.
No. But
and it's still there. It is still there.
Yes.
Go to 14 minutes into the conversation.
Okay.
Start from 14 minutes into the conversation.
And you will hear. Okay. All right. It's which one of the video? The latest video?
Yeah. Not the one today. The one that you could see yesterday.
Okay, the one yesterday. 14 minutes. All right. So hold on.
Start from 14 minutes.
Okay, so
it's just sad and painful.
No. Hold on, Mr. Willis, just hold on. So let me look. If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside this description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Let me look for this video that you're talking about. You say it's 40 minutes.
Yeah, but I need to say it because I gotta go. I in my business life in the States.
40. Okay, all right. So you're talking about so you're talking about the thing with Inspector Williams. That's the video you're talking about. So hold on. You say it's 40 minutes. Okay. So all right. I'll play it for you. I have nothing to hide in it. I have nothing to hide in it. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll play it for you. So hold on. Let me find this video. I'll let you hear it for yourself. Let me
no, you're gonna re-listen to it. You look like you just play it without listening it.
Let's listen, man. Mr. Willis, hold on. Let's hold on. You said 40 minutes, okay? 40 minutes, yes.
14 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Calm down. Let's wait. Yes. Okay, all right. Yes, we have time. We have time. So hold on, because you understand what I'm saying. We have to go.
It's fast like dinner. You need to get. We have to get the battery. What battery? Yeah. So can we get on the battery? I put new batteries in it. Okay. Dark barking.
Hold on. So let me hear this now. Hold on. Let's listen. Hold on. Can you say a record? Listen.
What's going on?
Yeah, man.
So I'm to the girl. What I'm to the girl?
You know, so the girl end up get sick after and dead. After a while, and bring down the family for running. They end up get sick.
I'm dangerous.
In the kind of guilt they walk after that time because they have a brother.
Your father brother?
Yeah, man. He was in my account. He had run the whole business, the whole operation and shit. But after, they meet an accident and dead because they say him the impact of the fire family at the house and everything. So they meet an accident and dead in 2006. 2006,
yeah.
So he was the accountant. Brought him, but that's smart, so it's like him lose when I mean and when time my brother drop out. So he just spend most of the time at watch. Yeah, man, I don't like that time, man. Maybe you're talking about man. All the man they do, I bring down death and destruction. Not see Jamaica.
Not true, man.
Yeah, man. Death and destruction.
So the youth shoot Bugsy. Cause me not team ask the police. Cause me get all them photograph of you to shoot Bugsy, you know.
You see the photograph, you know, but most of them man they know, you see, both place a place like this. Most of them.
You see the photo of the youth with
the photo. Yeah, we see the photo of them.
And him come from Snow Hill.
Yeah.
What them same name?
You know, say me don't know him name though, cause me left down here a long time, you know. But me keep up with the place. Everything I go on at the place, keep it. Then I round say every man, every drug is round so every man. Man we get deep scammer of license good brother.
Oh, and good people can and this a government here.
Good. Well, no man, me go be honest with you, you know. You know, say a PNP government run them license money.
No man, something pay criminal because when police.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Every time Peter Bunting is there in power, they run away him like because the man who operate the range. And this government can shut down the range and make him lose all the range license they operate. Yeah, man, because all part of this stuff thing they're going on. They have a bad boy police when him Trevor Willis go from way back in the day.
Yeah.
Out of him place the range they operate.
And them criminals.
All of them, man. Mix up in the shady business. Let me not see, man.
So what Trevor Willis then now?
Him there on same way, man. Him there on same way. Him all and all and shake it, but him there on same way.
Man, a real criminal to me, man.
Yeah, man. I talk about big guy, man. Big bossy big guy, man. The man there. Him there on a pole and same way. Big guy, young.
But I don't say him used to sell car and them thing there.
Yeah, man, him there, they work a man these and...
Okay, him know what I man them in the car when you have bad police.
Him don't know the whole man. I'll be clever. Quiet tell now, but tell her this, man.
Okay, you
yeah, man. Yeah, me hear him say.
Yeah.
So
you hear your own voice, and you hear your own voice too.
Yeah.
Good.
So, what's your interpretation?
Yeah, man, it's a general statement. I talk about the people.
That's a general statement?
Yeah, it's a general statement.
No, if it was a general statement, my name wouldn't have been mentioned.
Well, when him say, you hear him say, I see it. Him say a bad police who used it about name Trevor Willis.
You bad police boy.
Yeah.
All right, see. Him just attack as a Jamaican. Wait, all right, so
no. Going back to the criminality part.
So hold on. So him, all right. So him wasn't. Were you a bad police?
Hell no.
All right, hold on. Mr. Willis, let me ask you. Do you understand? Do you understand? Hold on, man. Do you understand when the policeman say you are a bad police? What you understand from that? Let me say if
what, I don't know what he means. What does he mean?
Do you know say you're Jamaican? I say me ask you what you understand from that statement.
I don't know. I can't tell you what he means.
All right. Well,
but I understand when he equates that to say criminality.
No. Listen what I'm saying. In case you know, let me break it down to you.
Don't break down anything for me, man. Don't try to break down anything for me.
Very explicit.
Don't try to break
all of them are criminal. After I mention the husband, I say I give him the setup range down there. Okay?
Listen. Hold on. Listen what I'm saying. You heard the man says that you are a bad police. In case you do not know, when he said that you're a bad, when he's saying that you're okay.
Good.
When he said that you're a bad police, it means that you're a fearless police officer. That means that you are a no nonsense man.
I don't care what.
That is what
terminology.
Okay, well. If you don't, if look here, if you do not understand that, I can't tell you say you can't ask any police when somebody say you're a bad police.
Understand that.
He never did say. Look here.
He was an excellent policeman, but Jamaicans say he was a badass policeman. That means he was good.
Then the policeman say him say one bad police named Trevor.
I'm not talking about the criminality part of it. Being a criminal.
All of them are criminal. That's the part we're talking about, sir.
Why are you trying to circumvent that?
No, nobody not circumvent nothing. Is a general statement.
Even you.
Yes.
Even you. Acknowledge to him that all of them are criminal. Even you. Your own voice.
Yes, all of the people them were involved.
We never asked him if anyone in there no criminal. You when he said everybody, all of them was criminal.
No. Okay, so you never hear him say. Well, you never. You
can't say it's general.
What do you mean? Can't say general? Yeah, so this is the channel that we have been telling you about. United we win, divided we lose. A call to action for all decent, ethical, and truth-seeking people. Brothers and sisters, let's speak some truth. Division has always been the weapon of the wicked. The ultimate tragedy used by corrupt governments dishonest leaders and power-hungry manipulators. They divide to conquer. They pit communities against each other. They turn neighbors against neighbor, tribe against tribe, race against race, because they know the terrifying power we hold when we are united under truth, justice, and purpose. That's why united we win, divided we lose. It's not just a slogan, it's a movement, a philosophy, a rallying cry for every decent, ethical, and truth-loving soul on this planet. We are all calling on you to be a part of something greater. This is not just another YouTube channel. This is an international platform that transcends borders, cultures, and languages. It reaches across ocean and finds its way into the hearts, homes, and minds of people like you. People who refuse to be manipulated. People who are hungry for truth. And people who stand for what is right, even when it's not popular. We believe in what is right, not who is right. That's what it's all about. So we expose what others are afraid to even whisper. So this channel reach across oceans and find its way into the hearts and minds of people like you, people who refuse to be manipulated. So we expose what others are afraid, because they themselves are afraid. We uplift voices that have been silenced. We connect the dots, several, reveal the agendas and show the patterns behind the lies that the mainstream buries. We cannot do it alone. Your subscription is more than just a click. It's a declaration that you are no longer asleep, that you refuse to be divided, that you see the power in unity, that you are choosing truth over propaganda, ethics over corruption, courage over silence. So I am personally inviting you, subscribe to United We Win, Divided We Lose channel, a home for truth seekers, the whistleblowers, the freedom fighters, and those who still believes in values and virtues and in victory through unity. Because remember, evil thrives when good people are silent and divided. But when we unite, we win, always. So join the movement, click, subscribe, and select all, and let your voice be counted among the courageous. So, we have come to the end of part 6 in this explosive series, and so far so good. But as expected, the liars, frauds, and pretenders are getting nervous. So nervous, in fact, that they have now resorted to trying to force me to retract a factual statement. A statement that wasn't even mine, but came directly from a trained experienced detective of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Let that sink in, and I defend the cop. She got asked me if me believe the policeman. There's nothing for him to gain. It's not like he's been paid to give information. No, he's doing it because he's a patriot, and everybody do things because what's in it for me. They want to say better for them country. The Willis, they are not denying the facts. They are not disproving the evidence. They are demanding silence, because that's what liars do when the light of truth exposes the rot they have been hiding. They panic, they scramble, and then they try to intimidate the messenger. But here's what they still don't understand. I don't bend to bullies. I don't retract truth, and I don't fear criminals, their cheerleaders, or their mouthpieces. The statement stands, the truth remains, and no amount of whining, gaslighting, or legal sounding threats will make me back down. I was born to speak the truth, and unlike them, I stand on it. So, let the record show. The liars are exposed, the frauds are unraveling, the people are watching, and part 7 is coming. Brace yourself. The finale won't be pretty. As we said before, documents always prove liars to be liars. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police. And before we go any further, big up the people them at Seaview Gardens. Yes. Waterhouse, Payne Avenue, Backto, Cockburn Pen in my place. I mean, Walton Park Road, Kingston 13, 2 Mile, Cole Lane, Kid Lane, Crescent Road. Yeah. And not to forget my community where I was born, Jonestown. Big up all of the man on Maya Street. Iggy and all of them, man. Burn up. You know, 51 Maya Street and my family place that. Yeah, right, that's a Gerald Bogle barn. So big up all our people them on Maya Street. Big up Love Street people them too. Pencil Street where I used to live too. Oxford Street where I was born. Yeah, big up all our people them. A Price Street. Concrete Jungle. Yeah man. My pathway, Scarface pathway, a concrete jungle. As I said before and I say again, but everything what them give you is nothing to uplift us, you know. Yeah, I understand. But we survive. And the two of us left from my age group. In a Jonestown, concrete jungle, everybody else dead. Cemetery. Gunshot. One person sick and died. That was Kelly and we used to par with Willie Agard. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.